Should you use soapy water to smooth silicone caulk? Yes or no? Never use soapy water or any water to tool silicone caulk because it prevents proper bonding. Silicone sealant cures by a chemical reaction with atmospheric moisture and bonds to clean, dry substrates, so tooling with soapy water introduces contaminants and films that block adhesion. For reliable results, remove old sealant, clean the joint with a solvent like isopropyl alcohol to remove oils and residues, and let the surface dry completely before applying new silicone. Cut the cartridge tip to the correct bead size, apply steady pressure with a caulking gun, and smooth using a clean, dry tool or a fingertip wiped with a little solvent on a cloth rather than liquid on the joint. If you need a smoother finish for appearance rather than function, use a slightly moistened cloth only to wipe your finger or tool, then immediately dry the bead and do a final dry tool pass. Do not introduce water into the joint. For painted or porous materials, test a small area first because some solvents or aggressive tooling can discolor or lift coatings. Always follow manufacturer cure time guidance and avoid exposing the joint to water or heavy humidity until the silicone has fully cured. Common mistakes start with tooling into wet soap films, which leaves a residue that causes the silicone to peel. Fix this by removing the contaminated bead and reapplying after a proper clean and full drying. Another frequent issue is working too soon in high humidity or letting water hit the uncured silicone, which traps moisture and creates weak spots. Schedule work when humidity is moderate and keep the area dry until cured. A third problem is using the wrong product for the substrate, expecting silicone to bond like a construction adhesive. Read product labels and choose a neutral cure or specialty formulation when bonding to metals, plastics, or areas with chemical exposure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples and contractor profiles, so we can help you find workmanship that matches your needs. We also provide a discussion community where we share practical tips and real experiences, so our members can learn from each other and contractors can find work.